a money management system that will help you pass the FTMO challenge just with 2 trades, and you should take it as my Christmas present to you. I'm super excited to share it with you, so let me move to the computer and go straight to the point, and while I do that, you guys make sure to smash the like button. So let's say you have risk-reward ratio 1 to 3. Trading with $10,000 of account, you will be risking $100 and you will be targeting $300. Take profit should be 3 times the stop loss, which means that if my risk reward ratio is 1%, 3%, if the stop loss is hit, we will have negative $100. But if the take profit is hit, we will have plus $300. We will have 3% in our account. Now what we do after that, we trade risk reward ratio 1 to 3, but risking 4% and targeting 12%. Okay, pretty much we will reinvest the profit and we will still risk 1%, so all in total will be 1% plus 3%, 4%. Risk reward ratio is 1 to 3, so we should target 12%. And guess what happens? If the stop loss is hit, we will lose 4%, but because previously we earned 300 and now we lose 400, all in all we will lose 100 from the account. Alright? But if the take profit is hit and we put 12% in our account, obviously we will pass the challenge. Okay, from 2 trades, the first one will bring you $300, the second one will bring you $1,200. If you lose, you hit the stop loss, it's okay, you go for the next trade. You lose again, that's okay, you will lose again $100. Obviously, if you lose 10 consecutive times, 1%, you are done and you fail the challenge. But if you lose 10 consecutive times, then your strategy sucks. Okay, your system is not good, it's not proven, and you should change it. You should use a better strategy. And for that money management, you don't really need the best strategy in the world, right? You will manage it with most of the strategies that are proven, that work well, and that can bring you a few consecutive profits and not too many consecutive losses. Now this risk reward ratio works really well if you can put your stop loss at a safe place and it's not far away from the entry and you have a realistic target 3 times bigger than the stop loss distance. If you don't, then you have the next option, risk reward ratio 1 to 2. But I will leave it on you to calculate the 1 to 2 ratio, so grab a piece of paper, a pencil, and let me know down in the comments how many trades you will need to pass the FTMO challenge. And if you want to learn the complete system that I use to pass FTMO challenge, you guys make sure to check the new course that I launched recently on Udemy, which is already the highest rated course in the topic. I'll leave a coupon down below in the description so you can grab it with over 90% discount. Merry Christmas guys, thanks for all of the support during the year. I wish you a wonderful, happy new 2023. I'll see you next year and don't forget that I love you.